Most people are familiar with Gmail, but have you tried Gmail's SMTP yet? But what is SMTP? Basically, Gmail SMTP is like a special helper that lets you send emails from your Gmail account using other apps or programs. It makes sure that your emails go to the right places and helps them reach the people that you want to communicate with. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now let's see how you can do it. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Alright, so let's begin. First thing we need to do is to generate an app-specific password for your Formaloo account after enabling two-step verification. It's necessary for the SMTP to work. Now, the next thing we need to do is to log in into our account at this address. Here, from the list of available apps, let's select Mail. In the list of devices, let's select Other. And now, let's type in a custom name. You can also just enter Formaloo there. Now let's click the Generate button and copy the password and save it on your computer. Remember, the password must be saved for later use. Google does not let you view your password after clicking Done, so you will need to generate a new one. Awesome, now all we have to do is to add a Gmail account as a sender email. So let's click on the account settings in the top right corner of the dashboard and select Email Templates. And here from the Open page, click on SMTP settings. Now we should set it up following these instructions. Great, now click the Save button to complete the setup. By the way, you can create email templates to suit the content of your forms and use each template in a different way, and you can choose which email templates are sent to the submitters from the notification settings. You can also decide which emails are forwarded to you and your team members. Now let's set up a custom email template and you can decide if you want to send it through the Formaloo system or the custom server. Awesome, now let's click on the Email Server drop-down menu, and here you can select Gmail Server instead of the system default, for example. And that's it! Now that you're all set, you can assure fast and reliable message delivery by integrating Gmail SMTP with Formaloo. Utilize this powerful synergy to your benefit. Send out emails that are timely and engaging. This will attract your recipients and improve your communication plan. Sign up at Formaloo for free, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Happy Formalooing!